Once Mahatma Gandhi said, our ability to reach unity in diversity will be the beauty and test for our civilization. And today I believe that we are on that right track. Hello and good morning, everyone. Today my lecture topic is Unity in Diversity. Friends, unity in diversity is used as an expression of unity and harmony between different individuals or groups. And the difference can be on the basis of culture, caste, religion, section, ethnicity, etc. And the unity in diversity is very important for any country's integrity. And the biggest example of unity in diversity for the world is the Republic of India. So now let's talk about the types of diversity in India. First is linguistic. As we know, India have almost 1600 languages that people spoke and 22 official languages. And almost 20% of the Indians spoke the Aryan and others 20% spoke the Dravidian language. Second is racial diversity. According to a census of 1930, there are about six racial groups available. Some named are Proto-Australoid, Mongoloid, Western, Mediterranean, Nordic, and etc. Third is casteism diversity. In India, India is known as a country of caste where 2500 castes are available and about 30,000 subcastes. And all castes live together in India. Fourth is culture diversity. All the caste and religion have their own culture, tradition, arts, music, dance, and they all celebrate together every year. Friends, now let's talk about the threats for the Indian unity. First is communalism. We have heard the name of Hindu Rashtra, of Gajwai Hind, about the love jihad and Gaur Raksha. These kind of name always threaten the country's integrity. Second is racial threat. Like we have heard, the threats for the northeast people, in south about the north people, about in north about the south people, and many other things that always threat the complete society. Third, casteism. In India, every caste want their own reservation, and political beings use the casteism factor for their vote bank, and they always do fighting with each other for their other several issues, and that emerges nowadays more and more. Fourth, the regionalism. We have heard about the Khalistan, about Nagalism, about Gorkhaland, the different states on the different language, different religion, different ethnic group and religion as well. Now let's talk about the source of unity in India. Some named are like first, the pilgrimage institution, the social and economic opportunity for everyone, the Constitution of India, the democracy, the biggest democracy, and the sports and movies. Friends, in my conclusion, like India is the biggest democracy for the world, and we need to be more responsible as we are 1.4 billion population. So there is much more threat of disintegration. And Pakistan and China and some other radicalized group always want to divert India for the disintegration. So we as a responsible citizen need to be more aware and responsible for these kind of threats, and we need to continue our our unity in diversity, and that's our culture taught for the long period of time. Thank you.